Hi guys, today we are going to make a S hook on Solidworks. Come on, let's start. I forgot to open the drawing, but don't worry. When we will make it, I'll show you. You can see in the drawing. I forgot to open the part. See the drawing. Okay. As hooks, we will use swept boss base, beginner SolidWorks. Okay. Let me explain it. First, we will select front plane and make. No, first we will select top plane and make a circle. And then we will exit the sketch. Then we will go to right. We will make the circle with 50 mm diameter. Then we will go to what we call we will sketch on right plane. We will make a line from. We will make a line over here, and then we will come back to the point. We will click over here. When we will click, it will open another line. We will just bring it back and it will convert into a arc. We will make a arc till here. Over here we will make another line and then we will make another arc, and then exit sketch and go to swept boss base, and we will select this as the path and this as the profile, the circle, this one. Come on, let's start. Come on. Top plane, sketch, this circle, diameter is, like I told, 50. Exit sketch, like I told you. Right plane, sketch, control 8 for normal 2. If you have normal 2 on this tab, then it's good. I don't have it, or else we can go over here and then drop this down and isometric over here, and for normal 2 over here. For isometric is control 7, and for this control 8 is for normal 2. Okay, let's start. Let's do this small because okay. If you hold control key and then move it like this, it will move like this instead of this. And if we want to zoom in and then hold shift key, and if we can zoom in and zoom out like this. Okay. Wait. Bring it over here. Okay. Now select line from here, make a short line and then come back to this point. It will convert into an arc. Make a arc like this, then like this, and then come back to this point and make a arc like this. Wait, I have made this wrong. Let me wait. Okay, line from this point, come back to this point. It will automatically convert into an arc. We need to make an arc on the angle 115. You can see the angle over here it is, and now a slanting like this, and then come back to this point, and it will automatically convert into an arc. Make an arc just like this. See, okay. But this is not looking nice, so just make this small like this. See, put it small now. Okay, now see. Okay, now select smart dimension. Make this dimension 150 and this dimension 150. 240. Oh, wait. Okay, enter. Now okay, now just delete this line over here. See, it is still not. Select smart dimension, or just okay over here, just delete. Okay, now select over here display delete. There's a arrow under display delete relations. Over there is fully defined sketch. Select fully defined sketch. All entities in sketch calculate. Okay, now it is fully defined. You can check the dimensions which were not there, but there's no need. Now just go to features. No, just exit the sketch. Okay, now select swept boss base. The profile is the circle and the path is this. See? Okay. Fillet. Select this and this. Okay. Select fillet. If you want, you can just select this and this. Okay, but there's nothing will be fillet. Only over here this will be filleted. Okay, now we have made this, but the main thing we have not done, the appearance. I forgot to change the radius of this fillet number 2. Delete this fillet. Yes, fillet number 1. Edit this feature. 1 mm. Enter. Okay. Now go to appearance. Metal. Chromium. This polished aluminum or polished steel. First make the background plain white. chromium plate is this color. This is better, so just select this one. Okay, we have made the S hook. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video. Bye bye.